Hi, and welcome to another video tutorial for the Notary eJournal. In this training video, we will learn how to create a journal entry for a signer who had a signature by mark witness. Please refer to your state laws when learning how to properly notarize a document for a signer who is performing a signature by mark. Capturing all relevant information for the signature by mark witnesses happens on step 4 of the app, where you would normally collect signatures. We provide you with the ability to capture up to 2 signature by mark witnesses. Only one is required to move forward if you select the signature by mark workflow. For each signature by mark witness, we allow you to capture the following pieces of information: the address of the witness, the ID information of the witness, and the signature of the witness. Let's take a closer look at how this all works. The signature by mark flow takes place on step 4 after you've already added your signers and the documents being notarized. In this example, we have 2 signers, John Doe and Jane Doe. John will be providing a normal signature, and Jane will be signing her name with a mark. Jane's mark will be witnessed by Dexter Jackson. For John, click Add Signature and have him sign on screen, then click Save. Since Jane signed the documents using the signature by mark method, click Add Signature by Mark under her name. You will then have her make her mark on the screen provided. This is a good time to remind you that state laws vary with regards to the legal requirement for journaling a signature by mark signer and witnesses. It may be required by law or considered a best practice to have a witness write the signer's name next to their mark on the signature pad. If you choose to do that, make sure you instruct the signer and witness to leave enough room on the signature pad. After Jane makes her mark, click Save, and you will then be prompted to add information about the signature by mark witness or witnesses, which can include their address, their ID information, and their signature. Once you have completed these steps, you've finished with the signature by mark workflow and can move forward in the app to complete the journal entry. Now let's take a look at how the entry looks when viewing it on the web app. You will find the identification information of the witness in the ID section. The witness's signature and address information will be located in the signature section. Now that we have learned how to create a journal entry for someone performing a signature by mark, make sure to brush up on your state's laws to ensure you are compliant with all of their requirements. Check out some of our other video tutorials to refine your skills with your Notary eJournal. Thank you for joining us.